Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So it's been a long time. I made a lot of videos. I haven't made a video actually in a long time. I've been busy. I have a lot of products that I've actually been working on, and also I launched my baby's products. So if you look at the back, you can see my baby's products right at the back of the shelf with the blue stuff, but I'm going to make a video on that pretty soon. So today I want to talk about the product that actually works for skin issues. So the product I'm talking about today is called Olaybact, but I'm going to put a picture on the screen so that you see it. This product is actually an anti-fungi, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory. What it's actually used for is if you have bumps, if you have eczema, or if you have any infections from like using a clipper. Maybe you use someone's clipper in the barbing salon, and you had an infection from barbing, or you have bumps on your head, or most people have bumps on the back of their heads. So you can get this Olaybact and use it as a treatment. Now the application says apply to the affected areas 2 to 3 times a day with a gently rubbed, but it has to be like prescribed to you. But you can get it from us. I will leave our number on the screen, our WhatsApp number. So if you have those kind of issues, you have burns, you have eczema, you have skin issues from getting your hair cut, then you have to get this product. But if your child has this kind of like ringworms, yes, that's the name I was looking for. Ringworms is more like eczema, like more tougher than eczema. It's kind of swirls and it's kind of itchy. It actually affects mostly the areas of your head, and most times it happens on your hands, on your body. So it can happen actually anywhere. You can have ringworms anywhere. So if you have ringworms or your child has a ringworm, then you have to like get this for the treatment. So we have a few packs in the store right here with me. So if you need any of them, please contact us so we'll give it to you. But if you want it in wholesale, just DM me. I'll send you the company's number. So this is directly straight from the company. It's actually produced in India but marketed in Nigeria by pharmaceuticals. So I'm not going to like call the name. So I actually got it directly from the pharmaceuticals. But if you want to like buy it and sell like in wholesale, I will just give it directly the company's number directly. Then you can just place an order from them instead of just buying from me in retail price. So I'm generous, yes. But if you want to get one for your treatment, so please just give us a call, then we'll send it to your locations.